In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover or reset your Dropbox account password, a crucial skill if you've found yourself locked out of your account. So let's dive right in and ensure you're back on track in no time. First, you'll want to visit the password reset page specifically designed by Dropbox for forgotten passwords. It's a handy tool that can be accessed easily via your browser. Once you're there, you'll need to enter the email address that you have previously associated with your Dropbox account. This is an important step. Make sure you type in the correct email to avoid any confusion or delays in accessing your account again. After you've successfully entered your email address, simply hit that submit button. What happens next, you ask? Well, Dropbox will send you an email containing a link to reset your password. Now, this is a crucial point in the process. Immediately after submitting your email, check your inbox for this email from Dropbox. However, if you don't see it there straight away, don't panic. Head over to your spam or junk folder because sometimes these emails can land there unintentionally. Once you've located the email, open it and look for the prominent password reset link. When you click on this link, you'll be directed to a page where you can choose a new password for your account. It's vital here to select a strong password that's difficult for others to guess, but easy for you to remember. Consider using a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance your password security. After you've picked and confirmed your new password, go ahead and complete the process as instructed. Once everything is set, you'll regain access to your Dropbox account, and you'll be back on your way with all your files and information at your fingertips. But before you go back to business as usual, I have an additional tip to help secure your account even further. Consider enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to verify your identity using a second method, such as your phone or an authentication app, especially when accessing your account from a new device. It's a simple step that can offer significant peace of mind in protecting your information. And there you have it. That's how you reset your Dropbox password and safeguard your account. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now feeling confident in managing your Dropbox account security. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to comment below or check out Dropbox's support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.